up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some great, awesome Nirvana, Lithium. Alright, let's go. I'm in standard tuning, but I got a drop D happening. So that's the sound of the song. So standard tuning and drop the low E to the same as your D string. Alright, so we're gonna stay on the E string, A string and D string for the verses and the heavy part. Start with open. Land on 4 and play 6 and 5 together and end on D string. Do the same thing on 9 and on 5. And then we're gonna go to 8, same thing. 10 to 7 and end on 10. Experiment with the picking a little bit, but this is the sound we're after. Heavy part. Same thing, you just same chords. We're just gonna open up, play harder, and maybe do a different strumming, like just downstrokes. Whatever feels right, just open up, play harder. No picking. Come on. And then we got the bridge. Okay, same chords again, same shapes. We're gonna go 5 to 8, 5 to 8, 5 to 8. And on 10, 7, and grab 3, and back to verse. So that's. So let's do that again. Okay, let's say the stand. 10, 7, 3. That's the whole song. We got 3 parts basically. let's review everything before we end the lesson. Drop D, very important, or it's not going to sound right. Open 4, 9, 5, 8, 10, 7, 10. And for the heavy part, same chords, just open up, play harder. And then bridge. 1, 2, 2, 5, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, and then 10, 7, 3. Back to verse. Cool. Awesome. What a great composition. Love this band. Who doesn't? Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Be safe. And rock and roll.